Want to turn auto-renewal on or off for your domain in Hostinger? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to do it quickly and easily. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. First, open your browser and head over to Hostinger.com. Once you're in, look for the Domains option in the middle panel and click on it. This will take you to the Domain Portfolio page where you'll see a list of all your domain names, their status, expiration dates, and an auto-renewal toggle button beside each domain. To enable or disable auto-renewal, simply toggle the button next to the domain you want to manage. As soon as you toggle it on, a pop-up will appear asking you to add a payment method. You can choose from options like PayPal, debit card, credit card, or Google Pay. After selecting your preferred payment method, you'll be redirected back to your domain portfolio, and you'll see the updated renewal status. That's how simple it is to manage auto-renewal in Hostinger. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share. Want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.